Yep. They got that big Bentley thing. That Bentayga.
Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga rhyme, and I got it all. Yeah, you got a big bark, but you're not a dog. When we talk about the cash and you not involved, I'ma hit it one time, then I'm not involved. Look, young nigga rhyme, and I got it all.
Going on YouTube, so we back. We got another job not too far from Orange County. We actually in Santa Fe Springs right now. We came in, they had already done some work to their studio, but it didn't turn out how they wanted. So they came in and, they asked us to, help them revamp their studio. It was some parts that wasn't even touched. So we're gonna work on those parts and then help them out with the stuff that they already did. We got the EDG, control your sound, control your life. We setting up the saw for the Fabricmates. We got all the fabric in there. It's a cool little studio. Uncle June. And we got the, our table for all our materials. This is like the kitchen room. So this is the studio. This is the part that they have already done. These lights right here, they're only white. So none of them change colors. That was a big thing for them. They some of the lights, well, actually all the lights, they want them to change colors. These are only white though, they don't change. They already did this, they put the fabric on the walls and stuff, but they want us to come touch these panels up. And then they have this, it's right here, this is that big boy right there. This is a big panel. They wanted, the starlights in there, but just the construction of it wasn't really right. So we're gonna pull those out. We're gonna pull these lights out, and probably use this panel for something else. And then we got the booth right here. So this is a part that they didn't even touch. I mean, it already sounds really good. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna put some Fabricmates over the walls, make it look real good, because it sounds good already. They just want it to be aesthetically pleasing. So we're gonna come in here. We're probably gonna knock this out today in one day, put up some stuff on the ceiling, just make it look good, make it look good. We got a front room. So this is bare walls, nothing has been done in here. They just put up the desk and the TV and stuff, but nothing on the walls is treated acoustically. So yeah, this is like a blank canvas for us. It's a blank canvas. We're gonna come in here, freak it, make it look good, make it sound good, and I think they're gonna enjoy it. All right, so right now we finna cut the tracks. I usually cut them in 45-degree angles so they can meet up, and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about in a little bit. Right now I'm just gonna cut the tracks. I'm actually gonna go see what side this needs to be on and what part needs to be cut, and then I'm gonna come back and cut that. All right, YouTube, so we got a couple different types of tracks that come with the Fabricmate system. So these, basically, this is what the fabric goes into. This little clip right there, you can see it, right? This little edge right there, the fabric tucks into that little rigid edge. And the same thing with that little rigid edge right there, the fabric tucks in. So with these, the reason why this is shorter is because this goes around the door frame. So like the door frame lip will come out to like right here, so you won't see anything but the fabric. And these are for like seams and anything where it's not, it's not necessary, like the track is not gonna be showing. You can just put these in there, but you'll see more when we show you in there. All right, so we've been working all day since like 10 a.m. Came all the way out to Santa Fe. We packed up, ready to go. Now it's about 8:40. We got the whole booth done. I mean, basically, we tracked everything up. We did a little test panel. Can't really see it because everything is black, but yeah, so it's all tracked up. Everything ready to go. So now we just ready to put all the fabric in, and it's good. Hey, what's up, YouTube? So we back at it, day 2. Yesterday we worked all day, all night. We finished tracking the whole room, the vocal booth. So today we just putting up a little bit of fabric and making it look nice. We actually did something we never did before. We did the ceilings, but I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all right now. Check it out. Dad in here working on the fabric. That white looking clean right there. So we got the black suede, we got the white panel. Yeah, like I said, we got the we got fabric on the ceiling too. They wanted to cover up a lot of the staples and stuff. So, and so what you doing, Dad?
I'm tucking the fabric. I'm using the Fabricmate tools. I call this a pizza slicer. It's the pizza roller. And this is for the 4 corners. You can hit the little small edges with this. And then this is a corner tool. So if you want to tuck the corner for the clean look, I'll show you later.
So we finished this room. This the booth. We finished this. It's looking all good, man. Got that suede on there looking ice. me show y'all what we working on today. So these all our clouds. We made one big panel with some leftover fiber optics that they had. We ended up having to make two clouds and, you know, finesse it and make it together. And we got that one big one. We got this one and that one over there to make an 8x8. So that's gonna be an 8x8 cloud. Somebody painted the ceiling, so it's nice flat black for the panel. And then our black suede panels are gonna go up on the walls. We got 2 behind the TV, 3 on this wall, bass trap. It's gonna end up being 5 on this wall. Another bass trap and 1 more bass trap.
Placing the old cloud with the new cloud.
And we taking it down, making sure it's in the right spot. So I'm measuring from here to here. So I'm saying, okay, that's 47 inches. From this eye hook to on the back of the panel to this eye hook on the back of the panel, that's 47. Basically, we're gonna flip it up. So I gotta make sure what we marked is the right spot. So from this eye hook to this mark, what I got is 47.
47.
That's perfect.
Perfect, man. Looking good, man. It's looking good. Measure twice, cut once. Or in this case, measure twice, drill once.
Perfect. Perfect. Now we ready to drill.
Hey, what's up, Herb? You looking a little slimmer from from Orange County. What you been doing, man?
My vegetarian diet, you know, no more meat. You know, trying to fast during the days, don't eat until later on.
Slimmed up a little bit, man.
Slimming up a little bit. You know,
Feeling
shirt's
good.
feeling a little different, collars feeling a little tighter.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Either way.
You cut that shit right, man. I don't know what the fuck. You get it to where you want to knock it all out. We gonna live shoot that room tomorrow. Yeah. They do that. Put a camera.
All right, YouTube. So, I mean, the room is done. It's looking good. All the fabric is up on the walls. That star cloud right there is looking amazing. They said they might want to add another one in the future. We covered, you know, there's a lot of weird corners in there, but we got it all done. We covered right there, that wall to the right is a big window we covered up. It was, you know, very custom, but it looks great. All the outlets is extended. The AC mechanism. They saw a light strip on our Instagram from somebody we previously did. Said, you know, they said I want it, so we gave it to them. We left the window open for them too, so they can put a soundproof curtain up there at some point. All right, YouTube. So another video, back to it. Santa Fe. We was there for about a week and a half. It was cool, you know, knocked it out, knocked the booth out, went home, built the star clouds, knocked the other 2 rooms out. Tune in, man. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications because we uploading every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Stay tuned, man. Thank you.